Hello everyone, I'm Gian Misahon. Today we're going to learn about something that powers almost everything around us. So, what is electrical energy? So, electrical energy is the energy caused by the movement of electrons. It's a form of kinetic energy that power devices, machines, and system. So these moving charges create electricity, which we use the power lights, computers, appliances, and even cars. So how is electrical energy generated? So it's generated by converting other forms of energy such as chemical energy from batteries, mechanical energy from generators, or solar energy from solar panels. The movement of electrons creates an electric current which flows through wires and power device. Example of electrical energy, so the lighting, these are the electrical energy power light bulbs, LEDs, and other lighting system providing us with illumination. And then the second is electronics. The example is the electrical energy power device like smartphones, laptop, and television, enabling us to communicate, work, and entertain. And then in the transportation, the example is the electrical energy powers electric vehicles, trains, and other forms of transportations, providing a cleaner and more efficient way to travel. So, in conclusion, electrical energy is a vital part of our daily lives. It powers our homes, device, and transportation. So that's all. I hope this presentation has given you a better understanding of electrical energy. So that's all. Thank you so much.